Hi guys, I'm Joel from Our Whole New World, and today we're going to be taking a resort tour of Disney's Newport Bay Club. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. Let's take a look inside. So walking into the hotel, this is the entrance lobby. I'm going to first take you to the bar area. Walk in on your left. On the right we have the captain's quarters bar. And on the left, the Compass Club Lounge, which is for rooms which are staying on club level. There's lots of nautical theming throughout the whole hotel. The theme is very similar to Yacht Club in Orlando. And through here we have the convention centre. Let's take a walk back to the main lobby. The hotel was renovated around 3 years ago. If you were to walk down to your left, this is the way to the walkway to the parks. Here we have the main check-in lobby. It's beautiful theming. And on our left, the Bay Boutique store. Currently opening at 4 PM until 10 PM. So this is the Bay Boutique shop in the resort. It's quite a good size. As you can see, it's October, but they've already got a selection of Christmas gifts.
Il y a 6 mois? Ouais. Ah bah c'est cool. Voilà. Ah bah voilà, ça c'est fait. Parfait. Du coup, juste ça? Ah ouais.
And the concierge desk. Small seating area and fireplace. I'll show you around one of the rooms. Walking into the room, you have the sink area on your right, single sink with the hairdryer, mirror and towel. On the right of that is the bathroom. There's a bath with a shower, and you'll receive hair and shampoo, towels, and a toilet there behind the door. Coming back out of the bathroom, we have a full-length mirror by the door and a safe with an iron and an iron board and facilities to hang your coats up. Walking into the main area of the bedroom, there's 2 double beds in this room. This is a standard superior room. It's air conditioning controls, telephone facilities, flat screen TV, and a makeup desk. You will find both continental plugs and a UK plug as well, in case you're travelling from the UK and don't have a travel adapter. It's a very light, airy room. It was refurbished around 3 years ago, with nautical theming to match the rest of the hotel. On the floor below the lobby, you'll find the pool and the gym facilities. Level 1. The lifts are really nice in the hotel.
First floor. Door opening.
All the hallways in the hotel are nautical themed. The fitness room is open between 7 AM to 10 PM. I won't go inside, but there's quite a selection of fitness equipment. And just slightly further down, we have the swimming pool area. Here we have the swimming pool area where you get free towels and free lockers. I'm going to put in a photo of the swimming pool area for you to have a look. Walking back through the lobby, past the shop that we showed earlier, They often do a character meet and greet this area. Recently they've had characters such as Pluto and Mickey. This is the walkway to the parks and Disney Village. So there's more nautical theming throughout. Food is available in the bar, but there are two main restaurants in the hotel. This is the Yacht Club restaurant and Cape Cod. The Cape Cod restaurant to your right. And Yacht Club on your left. Try and get a close-up view of the Yacht Club menu. And in French. And the Cape Cod restaurant, which is the slightly cheaper option. And get that to focus. Bit of glare on the screen. Don't think that's going to work, but the set meals range from €25.99 for a child and $37.99 for an adult. Through here it's a short walk of around 10 minutes to the park entrances. So that concludes our tour of Disney's Newport Bay Club. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and found it helpful, please click like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Hope you have a great day, and if you're staying at Newport Bay Club, hope you have a great stay.